Seesaw.
There's still a lot of ammunition in the Nepal batting lineup. Gulshan Jah with 5 wickets in hand will be very, very crucial. You don't want to leave too much too late. Gone aerial, mid-off up in the circle, and Gulshan Jah brings out a maximum. This is prolific hitting. Facing his very first delivery, he makes it look so easy. Nepal are just about reminding everybody why they're on their flight for the World Cup as well.
6 was the requirement of the doctor, and that's what they have delivered. What an incredible strike from Gulshan Jah. It was in his arc, but he had to put it away, and that's exactly what he's done. That's a wonderful strike, and this is the reason Nepal are always into the hunt. They bat deep, they have some good strikers. Yes, Malaysia have made a match out of this, but
2 of 15 now that they're still very much in the bowlers has have to limp on. Imaginative and innovative in his field set.
It'll all go down to the 19th over, which is going to be bowled by the captain, in my opinion. He's bowled 3, he has 1 left.
And deliveries. And even if
whatsoever.
It ended up being a little costly in this over.
Continuing to be a nail biter. This has penetrated the field. It will be fielded at deep mid-wicket. 127 for 5.
Prime.
Going to bowl the all-important 19th over. If it's not Virendip Singh, they have missed a trick here, and that's exactly what I feel. Picking up 2 wickets in his previous over. It's not going to be Virendip Singh.
It looks like the offie. Earlier in the day, Oman survived a scare. They won that game by 3 runs, and yet
He is going to be bowling slow.
make for a very ins a boundary. Nepal inching closer to the target.
This could very well have been this game set match. He could have held on to that catch. It could have been curtains for Nepal. Such is this movement. Such is the.
He'll throw his bat at everything. The next 4 deliveries, it's going to be eventful. 12 in 10, 2 big hits away is Nepal from a very fine win. Sompal Kami as well, ready to come out next. What a match this has turned out to be.
The slower Virendip bowls, the more it'll be to his advantage. Considering the wind, and wind is something that is going to be in favor of the batter Gulshan Jah, using the wind to his advantage, reverse sweeping the captain Virendip Singh, and that's gone for a maximum. What an incredible strike. The crowd has gone crazy here at the Oman Cricket Academy. Why not?
Early gets down on his right foot. There again, as I mentioned sometime back, Pranav, Gulshan will not leave anything for the final over. It's hit out again.
7 balls, 5 runs. It's in favor of Nepal at the moment.
Fold here at the Oman Cricket Academy, Turf 1. What a match this is turning out to be. Brilliant. Box office finish. Watchfully defended. He'll get a single, and this means that the final over, Nepal will need 4 runs to secure their first win. It's been a good over for Nepal. As many as 13 runs coming off it. We are into the final over. It's 140.
Mountain Dew, डोरको अगाडि जित्छ.
Focus needs fuel.
Vijay Unni, the off spinner. He's going to be bowling the final over. 4 required for Nepal. And what a win this would be. But this is one of those overs where he has to restrict only 4 runs. Unless and until there is something very stupid from the Nepalese batter. This is a game set match for Nepal. They're pushing for the second. This could be an opportunity. It cannot be an opportunity because of the quality The fitness of these Nepalese batters. This is brilliant running between the wickets by the Nepalese batters.
And the glove work behind the stumps has been very ordinary. That was a very good throw. Presence of mind brilliant from Gulshan Jha. Played with soft hands. Always two for them. The throw was also very sharp, but I'm not too sure if the collection behind the stumps was clean, because once again the wicketkeeper didn't quite collect it and it just about wobbled out of his gloves.
What an incredible gameplay from Nepal. Yes, the intent might have been missing from the Nepalese batters in the first half, but in the second half, once Dipendra Singh Airy came into the middle, it was always Nepal, and it was always domination by Nepal. The scores have been tied, 143 apiece for both these sides. 4 balls to go in the second innings. They just need 1 run to win.
Gulshan Jha 19 of 7. How crucial these runs have been. Here it is. Down the leg. Victory for Nepal. Well, this is by Deep Jora too, coming in and showing maturity. Nepal 2 surviving a scare. They win by 5 wickets. Nepal celebrate.